Hey and welcome to tutorial of mastering Git and GitHub. In this video we will explain how to delete a branch. It's not necessary, but it's good to delete the branch after we use it after its work has been done. So to list all the branch we have, we use Git branch, and now it shows us that we have 4 branches. So to delete, I will delete 2, the bad branch and the worst branch. So to delete them we will use git branch dash g for delete, and the name of the branch, for example bad branch. We hit enter and it tells us it's not fully merged. Yeah, because I didn't merge it anymore. But if I want to delete the worst branch, which is merged, I will just write it, hit enter, and it was deleted branch. So now if I want to make sure if it was deleted or not, I will execute the first command, git branch, hit enter, and now it shows us that the branch are deleted. Thank you for watching. See you soon.